Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. Now this is the highway that runs from Harborview in St. Andrew to Port Antonio in Portland. So the completion date for the entire highway is 2025, but they're building it out in sections. So the section from the Harborview Bridge to the Yalos Bridge is to be completed in August 2023, which is 11 weeks from now. So we are going to give you an update on that section of the highway. So this is the Harborview Bridge in front of us. Now, between the Harborview Bridge and the Yalos Bridge, the highway is going to be 4 lanes, a dual carriageway. So right here they have the 4 lanes already. It's just to put in the Jersey barrier or the concrete barricade in the middle. And the highway will be 4 lanes all the way to the Yalos Bridge. Now, this is the largest road project the government of Jamaica has on the way right now. Now, this road won't be a toll road, so the government is paying for it. That's why they're doing it in sections. So that once one section is finished, they'll open it up to the public and then work on another section. Now, the contractor, of course, is China Harbour Engineering Company. They do all the major highways in Jamaica. Actually, the only major construction project that I haven't seen China Harbour get is the expansion of the runway at the Sangster International Airport in Montego Bay. It's a different company, an Irish company, Landgen, who did that work. And that project should be finished by the summer of this year. We have a lot of videos up on the channel, so you can check it out. Alright, so what's going on here now is on the right, they're putting in the 2 additional lanes to make this 4 lanes. So between the Harborview Bridge and 11 miles, the highway is going to run along the existing roadway. So this 2-lane roadway that was here before is going to be upgraded or expanded to 4 lanes. And of course, it will be highway quality roads. So it's definitely a game changer for this side of the island. Never before has this side of the island seen roads of this quality. And now that I think about it, there are few places in Jamaica that have roads of the quality that's coming. So in some cases, the additional lanes will go on the left of the main road. In some cases, it will go on the right of the main road. And of course, whenever you have these major projects, you always have inconvenience, but it's not much, it's temporary. But this road is really in a bad way, but sometimes there is no way around it, because you just have to dig up the road, or in terms of fixing it and upgrading it. Sometimes there's no way to avoid these things. Alright, so on the right now you can see they are putting in the 2 additional lanes. And then once they open those lanes, they will fix the 2 lanes here, and that's the highway. Now the good thing is that this road is not a toll road. It is not a toll road, so you don't have to pay to use it. So it's much easier for them to upgrade the existing roadway where possible. Now, between Harborview and 11 miles, the existing roadway will be upgraded to 4 lanes, and you can see a better idea of what's going on right here. But from 11 miles to the Southern Coastal Adventure Park, a new road has been built going over the hill, and then from the Southern Coastal Adventure Park the Southern Coast area to Albion Heights, the existing roadway will be upgraded to 4 lanes, and then from Albion Heights to Grandspan, a new road has been built. And then from Grandspan to the Yallus Bridge, the existing roadway will be upgraded. So where possible, they use the existing roadway. So I guess it won't really inconvenience that many people. Now when the highway takes a new alignment, like in the 2 cases where it goes over the hill, there is a change in the movement of traffic, so sometimes it can cause economic hardships. And Grandspan in St. Thomas, that area is complaining about the fallout because the traffic doesn't go through that town anymore. But this is definitely a good project. It's definitely putting this side of the island back on the map. And because the highway is coming, you can reach Yallus so easy. You can reach St. Thomas in 10 minutes from Harborview on highway quality roads. So a lot of developments are going on in the St. Thomas area, in the Port Antonio area. Basically, a lot of developments going on this side of the island. You have the Morant Bay Urban Center. You have the Morant Bay Urban Center. You have the Port Antonio Urban Center. A lot of developments in terms of residential, commercial buildings. So here now it's a bridge, but on the other side they've built a new bridge because remember it's going from 2 lanes to 4 lanes. So we're just going to show you the new bridge. Alright, so this is a new bridge that was built. So this bridge will have 2 lanes, and then the existing bridge, which is right over here, will be an additional 2 lanes, so that would be the 4. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.